Today, I'm going to teach you how to deactivate your Google Ads account. Whether you're pausing your advertising efforts or simply need to close your account for business reasons, this straightforward process will help you get it done quickly. First, open your web browser and navigate to ads.google.com. Once you're there, you'll need to log in using your Google Ads credentials. Make sure you're signing in with the account that has administrative access to the Google Ads account you want to deactivate. After logging in successfully, you'll land on your Google Ads dashboard where all your campaign information is displayed. Now, from your dashboard, direct your attention to the left navigation bar. This is where you'll find various management options for your account. Look for the admin menu in this navigation panel and click on it. The admin section is where all the critical account settings and configurations are housed, so this is your gateway to managing account level changes. Once you click on admin, you'll be presented with several sections that control different aspects of your account configuration. Scan through these options until you locate preferences. This section contains important settings related to how your account operates. Go ahead and click on Preferences to move forward. Inside the Preferences page, you'll need to find a specific setting called Account Status. This is the key to deactivating your account. On the right side of the Account Status section, you'll notice a drop-down menu. Click on this drop-down to reveal the available options related to your account's operational status. Within this drop-down, you'll see a link that says Cancel My Account. This is the option you're looking for. Click on it and a confirmation window will immediately appear on your screen. This window is designed to verify that you truly want to proceed with deactivating this account, as this is a significant action that will affect all your active campaigns and advertising efforts. The confirmation window will ask you to verify the account details to ensure you're making an informed decision. To finalize the deactivation, click on the Cancel Account button in this confirmation window. This action will officially deactivate your Google Ads account. And that's it. Your Google Ads account is now deactivated and all your campaigns will stop running. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.